show you how to make cheesy potatoes and sausage. What you're going to need is your sausage, an onion, 2 cups of sour cream, some cheese, a bag of frozen hash browns, a can of cream of chicken, and then 1 teaspoon of black pepper and garlic salt. The first thing you're going to do is get your cream of chicken and put it at the bottom of your crock pot. Next, you're going to get 2 cups of sour cream and put it in your crock pot, and then you'll spread it and even it out on the bottom. Next, you're going to get your sausage and align it on top of your cream of chicken and sour cream. Okay, then after you get your sausage all in here and aligned, you're going to get your onions and put those on top, as well as a teaspoon of your garlic salt and a teaspoon of your black pepper. Okay, then you are going to add your frozen hash browns on top of this. Okay, and then after you align your potatoes into your crock pot, you're going to get 4 tablespoons of butter, and you're going to slice them up and lay them on top of your potatoes. And then lastly, you're going to get some cheese and top it off on top of your butter and potatoes. Lastly, you're just going to turn on your crock pot, set the temperature to low, and cook it for 4 hours, and then your dinner is good to go.